Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the histogram using data analysis. And you click on the data tab, then you will have the data analysis tab here. You want to select histogram, click OK. Then for your input range includes all the data that you are looking to plot as a histogram. In this case, we're doing salary. Scroll down to the bottom. A quick shortcut, you select the first one, Control Shift down arrow. Be careful, some students end up with a total of salaries here. You don't want to highlight that. For your bin range, this is important for you to understand. The input expected here is the list for the upper limits for each bin and not a range. Excel will calculate the range by knowing what the upper limit is for each. And you want to highlight the title as well as the list for the upper limits. And you want to make sure you check this box that says labels, because in this input range, we did include the label, which is salary, and in this bin range, we did include the label, which is saying bin range / upper limit. You want to make sure you have chart output checked, and you're putting it on a new worksheet, and then you click OK, and Excel takes a moment to generate a frequency table as well as plot the histogram. Click on the histogram, you can change the size. One of the features of a histogram that you want is you don't want to have spaces between the bars, or it's not a histogram. So you right click on the bars and then you format data series, and you're increasing your gap, or decreasing your gap, down to 0. The other thing you want to do is be able to change this bin range upper limit. Right click and you select data, and then you go to edit. What we're telling Excel to do is to fish in this area for the labels. So you go to the sheet that has the labels and highlight from the first to the last labels. Do not highlight the label itself. You're highlighting the first one that corresponds to the upper limit and the last one that corresponds to the last of the upper limits. Click OK. And then Excel will change the labels here to match the labels that you want. So that's how you use data analysis to do the histogram. Thank you.